put in some staples, and I think that they are going to have a weird shocking thingy shock it, and we shall see.
Do it for a minute.
Maybe you just go back a minute. So why is it? Okay, is that good? So did this.
Alright, go ahead and hit cancel.
Yeah,
It's okay,
prefer
okay.
you guys scoot back a little.
Alright.
And smoke comes out. So the shorter ones did it first.
Not all of them.
But
So,
Yeah, it's because microwaves don't hit every single part of the plate all the time.
that's why
so 3
So did
remain.
that-
I'm gonna get the
Hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot. They're all hot.
Okay.
Okay, so did that confirm your hypothesis?
Pretty much, but I thought it was going to like lightning go.
Nope, it was lightning between the metal, not from the microwave, huh?